Welcome to today's video exploring the diverse dimensions of intelligence beyond IQ. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences reveals a rich tapestry of cognitive abilities. Let's dive into these types and uncover their profound impact. Number 1. Logical mathematical intelligence. It involves the ability to reason logically, analyze problems, and perform mathematical operations. Research suggests that individuals strong in this type of intelligence often excel in fields such as mathematics, engineering, and computer science. Number 2. Linguistic intelligence. It pertains to proficiency in language, encompassing skills in reading, writing, speaking, and understanding verbal information. People with high linguistic intelligence are adept at expressing themselves eloquently and persuasively. This type of intelligence is crucial for careers in writing, journalism, teaching, and public speaking. Number 3. Spatial intelligence. It involves the ability to perceive and mentally manipulate visual information accurately. Individuals strong in spatial intelligence excel in tasks requiring mental rotation, navigation, and artistic endeavors. This type of intelligence is essential for architects, artists, pilots, and engineers. Number 4. Musical intelligence. It relates to sensitivity to rhythm, pitch, melody, and tone. People with high musical intelligence exhibit a keen understanding of musical patterns, are skilled performers, composers, or have a deep appreciation for music. This type of intelligence is crucial in fields such as music composition, performance, and therapy. Number 5. Bodily-Kinesthetic Intelligence. It involves the ability to use one's body effectively to solve problems or create products. This intelligence is essential for athletes, dancers, surgeons, and craftsmen. Number 6. Interpersonal Intelligence. It refers to the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. This type of intelligence is crucial in professions such as counseling, leadership, teaching, and sales. Number 7. Interpersonal Intelligence. It involves self-awareness and understanding of one's own emotions, motivations, and goals. This type of intelligence is essential for roles in coaching, therapy, and personal development. Number 8. Naturalistic Intelligence. It pertains to sensitivity and understanding of the natural world, including plants, animals, and natural phenomena. Individuals strong in naturalistic intelligence exhibit a profound connection with nature, excel in fields such as biology, ecology, and environmental science. Number 9. Existential intelligence. It involves contemplating profound questions about human existence, such as the meaning of life, death, and the universe. Individuals strong in existential intelligence exhibit philosophical and spiritual insight and seek deeper understanding of life's mysteries. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.